Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is the Daily Rage. We've been talking recently about trading pre-market, and I wanted to show you what I was doing today because it's just a testament to the fact that you don't need to go for like the mega moves in the midst of crazy volatility. So I was watching this here come down like this. Now this is pre-market because the opening candle for the stock market was here. So this big red one. So I was watching this. And this nice little bounce here, I was like, huh, that's about a 50% retracement. Let's put the lines on there so you can see exactly what I was looking at. Okay, so we sold off all the way down to here. Then this happens. Not only is it in that 50 to 61.8% range, but it's also a fractal, which I was like, okay, let's go. So I shorted this, targeted these lows down here. Why? Because of support from back here, hit my target, and I was done for the day. So, like, that was it. Then I didn't even need to mess with this wild ride. I mean, look at these wicks on here. This is like, yeah, they're nice moves, big candles, but also super, super volatile. And I was like, you know what? I don't need to get into that danger zone. And then, yes, like this was a much, much, much bigger move to the high side. But again, really, really wicky up in here, right in here. So I would rather take an easy trade from here to here, call it good for the day, then get mixed up in this mess. Just a personal preference, but that's how it worked out for me today. As a heads up, Apex is doing a 90% off sale for Memorial Day. They just announced this last night, and it's a pretty short sale, only till tomorrow evening. Again, 90% off, which is their best percentage off. However, you're going to want to be a little strategic on this sale. So I did get a couple new evals on this 90% off, but here's what you need to know. They're only 50% off recurring months. So I look at this and I'm like, cool, I'll take the 90% off, but I'm sure as heck not going to pay the 50% because you can get a much better rate in a different sale. So I'm looking at this as like, okay, I have a month to see if I can pass these things. And if not, I'll just cancel them. So that's the way that I like to play this. You obviously can do what's best for you, for your budget, for your trading goals, etc. But that is going on today. I'll drop the link and coupon code down below for you so you can grab one or many of those. Remember, the deal with trader funding is that because you can have multiple accounts, you really don't need to make, like, let's go back to this for a second. I don't need to make like this monster move because I'm trading multiple accounts. So these little smooth moves are going to be way better off for me in the long run than trying to, get a handle on this craziness. So again, the link and coupon code is down below for you. Make sure you take advantage of that today or tomorrow while the 90% is still on. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.